A pleasant day to you, sir and ma'am. I am here in Gonzaga, Cagayan Valley. I was born on March 25, 1986, and I'm 39 years old at this time. I am married and I have two children, and they are 18 years old and 14 years old. I finished my high school level. I worked here in the Philippines for 3 years, started May 2016 and to February 2019. I have served one couple and two children, ages 4 to 1 year old. Moms and sir, my duties and my responsibilities are to wash the clothes, clean the house, and take good care of the children. Sir, mom, I am willing to take good care of a newborn baby, and I'm willing to teach them how to read and write in English. I want to work in Hong Kong for my dream and for my family. To my future employer, I promise to do my very best. To my duties and responsibilities to you as my employer, as well as I promise to finish my contract to you, sir and ma'am. Thank you and God bless.